Most WordPress freelancers don't fail because they lack skill. They fail because they've been sold the wrong dream. They're told, learn WordPress, get clients, make money. But what no one tells you is that clients alone won't make you rich. Systems will. Now, in this video, I'll break down exactly why most freelancers stay broke and how you can escape the trap, even if you're just getting started. And stick around to the end because I'll share the exact path that took me from struggling to pay bills to building a six-figure business built entirely on WordPress. Now, next up, I'll show you exactly why this problem runs deeper than you may think. Look, let's get real. We know there's thousands of WordPress freelancers out there right now charging anything from $300 to $500 for a website. They think they're building momentum, but the reality is they're just building a treadmill. They work more hours, take on more projects, and they never get ahead. And the reason? They're selling the wrong thing. They're selling time instead of value. They're chasing one-off jobs instead of recurring income. And they've built a business that collapses the moment they stop working. Now, if that sounds familiar, don't worry. Look, I've been there too. I used to build small business websites and I used to think that the next client would finally fix my cash flow. But guess what? It never did. Because the model was broken. Not me, not my skills. It was the model. Now, coming up next, I'm going to show you why the freelancer mindset keeps people stuck there forever. When you're starting out, your first goal is to get paid for your skills. And that's fine. It's perfectly normal. We've all been there. But here's the trap. Beginners often think more clients equal more money. But in reality, more clients equals more chaos. You start juggling projects, dealing with revisions, chasing invoices, and before you know it, you've just realized you've created another job for yourself. Now, the smarter approach is that you need to start thinking like a business owner, not a freelancer. Now, that means standardizing your processes, offering care plans or hosting for guaranteed monthly income. And the most important, saying no to clients that just drain your time. So even if you've only built one website, start building your systems now. That's what's going to turn your skills into stability. Now, next up, I'll show you exactly what separates struggling freelancers from those business owners that are making 5 to 10K every single month. Once you've got clients coming in, it's time to shift gears. And this is where most freelancers just plateau. They're doing everything. They're doing SEO, design, development, support, updates. They're buried in busy work and they just don't realize the power of recurring income. Think of it this way, a £500 client might pay some of your bills this month, but what if you had 5 clients paying you £79 a month? Well, that's nearly £400 every month and you're not chasing anyone for that. It's coming in month after month. That's how real businesses grow predictably. If you're serious about building recurring income with WordPress, you can join WP Odyssey. It's my private community where I'll teach you step by step how to go from one-off projects to a stable business that grows every month. You learn everything. You'll master WordPress, build client systems, hosting, care plans, SEO, and automations. Look, I'll put the link below, and just so you know, the price rises as the community grows. So if you're ready to level up, you can join today and lock in the current price. Okay, so let's get back to it. The difference between a broke freelancer and a thriving one isn't their talent, it's structure. They systemize things like onboarding, hosting, and updates. They'll automate communication, and they create packages that clients actually understand. Now, next up, let's go deeper. This is where advanced freelancers will break free from the job trap. At the advanced stage, everything shifts from doing work to building leverage. That means creating SOPs or templates so that your team or your future team can handle those tasks without you. Utilizing tools like WPMU, Cloudflare, and even things like Go High Level for efficiency. Turning client results into systems that can repeat again and again. You're no longer a freelancer, you're building a machine. And the beauty is WordPress makes all of this possible. You can scale things like hosting, care plans, SEO services, all with repeatable systems. But only if you stop chasing new clients like a hamster on caffeine and start nurturing the ones that you already have. Because retention is where the real profit hides. Now, let's talk about what kills that progress faster than anything and the biggest mistakes that I see every single day. Now, here's what keeps most WordPress freelancers broke, even when they're really good at what they do. Underpricing out of fear. They think being cheap means getting more work, but it doesn't. It just means getting burnt. Having no contract. Now, this one little document can cost thousands every single year. Having no niche. Trying to serve everyone means no one sees you as an expert. And ignoring recurring revenue. Look, they'd rather chase £1,000 deal than securing £100 a month forever. Even if you fix just one of these, your business will change really fast. I've seen people inside the community go from £0 to £1,000 a month recurring just by shifting focus from selling websites to selling peace of mind. So why do most WordPress freelancers stay broke? Well, it's because they never stop thinking like freelancers. You're not just building websites, you're building freedom, systems, and a business that works while you sleep. Now, if you're ready to start that journey, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting weekly videos on building, managing, and scaling your WordPress business. And if you want the full system, the one that I use in my agency, then join WP Odyssey today. The link's below. Look, you've got the skills. Now it's just about building the business that matches them. Now, if you're still here, I'll put another video around here which I think might interest you, so make sure you watch that. Make sure you drop a like if you found any value in this video, and hopefully you've subscribed. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.